This short video is on storing, charging, and maintenance of all BlowHard fans that have an integrated battery. Now, this is meant to be a quick overview, and BlowHard states that you should still read the whole manual. Your BlowHard fan was specifically engineered and designed to be stored and charged on shoreline power. The Smart Tech control system contains a component called a BMS, or Battery Management System. And that BMS manages the high rate of power cycling associated with shoreline power. So leaving your fan plugged in at all times will not overcharge or damage the battery. The BMS also takes care of all of the charging and battery maintenance. Basically, it does everything so that you don't have to do anything. Just plug and play. Now, it's after the fan is fully charged but still plugged in that the Smart Tech system automatically kicks on to perform any necessary battery maintenance and cell balancing, which will extend the life and the health of the battery. Charging is best completed in a moderate environment, anywhere between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 30 degrees Celsius. Charging in extreme temperatures will extend that charge time. Your fan will first do a quick charge to about 90% of full capacity, which takes about 2 hours, and then continue a trickle charge from 90 to 100% capacity. The typical estimated life of the lithium-ion battery supplied by BlowHard is up to 1,000 full discharge cycles. And when your battery reaches its life cycle, the runtime will begin to decrease. And when you're ready, give us a call and we'll quickly get you a new one. BlowHard recommends that you add your fan to your existing maintenance schedule, where either once a month or every other month, run the fan all the way down and then charge it up again. And this is mainly so that you're at your station, making sure that your fan is working at its maximum capacity and not out on a call when you need it. This is also when you might take note of that runtime. For shoreline installation, depending on your fan model, you will need to ensure that the current demand is adequately sized. And many customers store multiple fans on the apparatus. But please reference the following chart to identify the current demand for each fan model, and be sure to sum the current for all of your fans when sizing your shoreline current.